How to delete Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how we can delete a Facebook account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Facebook account, make sure to launch the Facebook application, and this is the interface you can see. Tap on the three lines menu icon located from the top left of the screen here, and just go over here under Settings and Privacy and select the option called Settings. From the Settings tab, go to the option called Account Center from the very top. Now over here you can see various different type of options. From the very bottom, go to the option called Manage Accounts. The UI of Facebook has changed a bit, so you might be getting a little confused. Now from here, select a particular Facebook account you'd like to delete. Then tap on the Manage option. Select the option called Deactivation or Deletion, and when you do that, on the next tab, select the option called Delete Account and scroll down and tap on Continue. When you've done that, select any of the reason and tap the Continue button. Just keep tapping on the Continue option over here, and it will give you various options, like you can choose to keep Messenger and only deactivate your Facebook, but we don't want to listen to all this, so finally tap the Continue button. And last but not the least, you simply have to type in your password. Once you type in your password to verify that you are the owner of the account, you'll be able to delete your Facebook account. This way you can delete your Facebook account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.